I wanted to take a quick couple of minutes to walk you through how exams work and take a look at the practice exams. So if we start here, where you typically log in on the announcements, over in the left-hand panel where you've been going for content for the lectures, here's week 1 and week 2. Beneath that, you will now see a module 1 or module 2, wherever module we're at, and then the name of the professional that it's named after, and then exam. So in that folder, once you click, there'll be 2 items. Right now, there's only one. There will be the practice exam, and then for only a small window of time, you will see the actual exam appear, and then it will disappear. But we can use the practice exam to talk to you about both the practice and the regular exam, so you're aware of what's expected. So if we take a look at the practice exam, we've got a couple instructions here, but these are also settings and things you should be aware of. The practice exam allows the same amount of time as the regular exam, 1 hour and 5 minutes. The timer setting, what this means is that after this 1 hour and 5 minutes has elapsed, this test will automatically submit. And it says force completion. So it means that you can save it at any point up until the time has expired, but when you leave, whether if you walk away from the computer, anything, the timer is going to keep going, and once it reaches the hour and a half, it's submitting. Now, the practice exam, unlike the regular exam, allows multiple attempts. So with the practice exam, take it as many times as you want. When it comes to the regular exam, you only get one time at bat. And when it's over, it's over. And let me emphasize this. You must have a reliable computer and a reliable internet connection. If for some reason you lose connection to the internet, well, this force completion thing is going to jump in and automatically submit that test. Okay? Now, the thing here is that from my perspective, I can't tell whether or not you lost connectivity to the internet or if you're engaged in academic dishonesty. So when these things come in and your test is submitted, that's the score you're going to get. So make sure that your computer is working reliably. Of course, you can reach out to me if you have a concern, but that is no guarantee that the test is going to be reopened for you. If we take a look at the actual test and hit begin, on the main exam, on the real exam, you'll have to put in a password. But for this one, you can see the questions will all come in just one after another order, similar to the syllabus test that you took. And then when you get to the bottom, you'll have an opportunity to save and submit. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And once it's over, you'll get that same review page that you got when you took the syllabus test. Something to be aware of. With the practice exam, take this thing repeatedly. It has the same potential questions that the exam does. You can take it as much as you want. And the people who take the practice exam often are the people who score best on the main exam. Okay? And then the last but not least, if you hit OK, you can go back and see what you got wrong. And finally, it'll take you back to this folder where you can take the practice exam again. The regular exams typically will show up on the Monday after the module is completed and will only be alive for between 48 and 72 hours. So act fast. There will be announcements to alert you when practice exams and when the regular exams are available, and use this tool. This is one of the many ways you have to be successful in this course that provide you a benefit that may not be available in other courses.